Hi viewers, welcome to this channel. So before you watch this video, please subscribe to this channel. And this is the project 3 in Power BI. In the previous part we have converted the snowflake schema into star schema. So this is one many to one relationship, this is one many to one relationship. So here we shall create some visualizations. For that one we shall go into this table. So before we go into the visualization, we need to create some columns in a new table. That is the table is a dates table. So for that one, go to the new table. So give the name of the table as a dates table. So now I am going to use the calendar function in DAX. So click on the calendar option. So you need to give the start date and the end date. So start date is the first date of sales order table, that is create date. So you need to go for the sales orders table. So in that create date. So come on. So you need to close this one now, and now last date you need to give. So last date of again sales orders of create date. So that is the types of bikes created we need to count. So for that purpose I am creating the dates table. So press enter. So these many dates we got here. So click on that one and format that one, that is change the date format to short date. So this is the thing we got here. So now click on the new column. So that is to add a new year column. So name it as year equal to, so year of, so the table we have created is dates table. So year of dates table. So dates table of date. So close, press enter. Similarly add one more column for month. So month equal to month of dates table of date. Close. So once you create this one, so if you come to that relationships model here, so a new table will be created in this relationship table. So that is nothing but this one. So drag the date to the create date. So you will be getting a many to one relationship here. So all the relations has been formed successfully. Now come to the visualization plane and go to the properties here and click on the page background. So color, let it be so this one. So transparency reduce, so somewhat increase this one. So page alignment, okay, no problem. So now what I am going to do is that I am going to drag a text box, click on the text box, so resize that one, and adjust to the page and give the name as bike sales report. So click on the center, so select this entire thing, give bold, so increase the font size to 20, or you can increase to 40, and you can give the color to the required. So adjust this one. So if you want to set the properties, so you can give the border also, so the border is on now. So the border color also you can set. So let us increase the radius to somehow. So see, you got a black color here. And if you want to set anything else more, you can set there. So if you want to add a title, you can add a title. So you need to give some title here. So right now I am not going to do anything. So in the general, you can give the position of that text box. So this is by using the text box. Now I am going to drag a table. So this is the table. I am going to use, and into this table I am going to drag the year first. So click on this one, that text box, and if you click on the format painter and click on the table again, so the same properties will be applied to that one. So year here, so if you click on this table again, so come to the values, so don't summarize, so that you will be getting all this, otherwise summarize will become. So 2018-19, only 2 years you are having. And if you want to drag the month, you can drag that also, same, don't summarize. So these are the dates between months you will be having. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to the sales orders. So in that I am going to drag the create date. So don't summarize it is. So I am going to drag the partner ID to this table again. And now from products and categories, so I am going to drag the category short description. So this one I am going to drag here. So these are the things I have dragged. So now if I use a slicer, so before we go to the slicer, I am going to click on the table and I am going to change some properties of this one, that is general properties, no style, no need. So we need to go for the values. So background color I am going to give it as blue, so it's not visible. Okay, no problem. Let's increase the font. So I'm going to increase the font to 15. So I will be changing the background color to some other. No, it's not visible. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, so that one finished, and now so I am going to drag the slicer. So reduce the size and click on this table and format painter. So click on the slicer. So the same thing will be applied now. So come to the dates table, go and drag the year. So here only, as you are having only two things, so you will be getting this bar. So if you want to show it as a drop down list, so you can. So if you select only 2018, so only 2018 data will be shown there. So if you want to select only 2019 data, so only 2019 data will be shown there. So again, I am going to increase the font size to 15, and I am going to reduce this one size, so I can give you some colors. So for that one, go to the properties, font color, so background, so let it be blue, no, light blue, yes. Okay, so this is the thing. Now I am going to consider one more slicer. So reduce the size and select on the previous slicer and format painter and click on the new slicer. So now I am going to drag the, so again this products category text. So in order to know the type of items we are having, that is products we are having. So see here, so if I select a hybrid bike in 2019, so only hybrid bike data will be shown there. If I select a mountain bike, only mountain bike data will be shown there. So similarly other type. So that is regard. So the mountain bike in 2019 is this many. So in 2018 how it will be looking. So in 2018 more. So those things also you can calculate there. So now what I want to do is that I am going to drag a card. So this is the card, and I am going to format it according to the slicer and click here. So that will be replaced here. So now what I am going to do is I am going to select the table and I am going to drag the gross amount. So and I am going to drag this gross amount to this card also. So this total will be appear here. So this is row wise gross amount and this is the total gross amount. So if I select any one product, so the values will be changed. This total amount will be shown in the card. So if you want to apply the DAX, you can apply by clicking on the new measure. So if you want to use that runtime, you can click on that new measure and you can perform the calculations. So this is a sample report I have shown you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and in the next video I will be briefing you very much so thank you so much.